imagine a patch of Amazon rainforest smaller than your desk. A 2021 study in Nature found just 1 hectare, about 2 football fields, could host over 1,200 beetle species alone, far more than some countries have mammals. This isn't hyperbole. It's biodiversity in action. These insects, from pollinators to disease vectors like mosquitoes, shape ecosystems globally. By studying them, scientists uncover how tiny changes here ripple worldwide. Insects are nature's unsung heroes. They pollinate crops like bees, which support 1 in 3 bites of food we eat, FAO, 2023, break down waste, and control pests. But when insects vanish, ecosystems wobble. Plants lose pollinators, predators starve, and coral reefs suffer without tiny cleaners like shrimp. It's a chain reaction, small but powerful. Biodiversity hotspots are small areas packed with an incredible number of species. In the Amazon, a tiny patch can hold thousands of insects, plants, and even rare animals. These spots thrive because they have rich soil, diverse climates, and millions of years of evolution working together. Losing one species can affect the whole ecosystem, making these hotspots vital for nature's balance. Discovering a new insect species is like solving a puzzle. Scientists collect insects in the Amazon using nets or traps. Back in the lab, they analyze DNA to compare genetic codes. Tiny differences in genes can define a new species. This process is challenging because some insects are tiny, rare, or live in dense foliage, making them hard to find. Each discovery helps us understand the Amazon's hidden biodiversity and why protecting these tiny patches is so important. But these tiny giants face massive threats. Deforestation, like the Amazon turning into cattle ranches or soy fields, destroys their homes faster than we can discover them. Pesticides, even in small doses, act like silent killers. Some insects evolve resistance, but others vanish without a trace. Climate change throws off their delicate balance. A single degree shift can disrupt seasons, leaving insects hungry or lost. Take mosquitoes. They spread diseases, yet killing them carelessly can break food chains. Even coral reefs suffer when tiny cleaner shrimp disappear. Every threat to insects is a warning for us, because when nature's architects vanish, the whole system wobbles. Imagine a single leaf in this tiny patch of Amazon rainforest. On it, you might find a vibrant blue morpho butterfly, its wings shimmering like stained glass. Nearby, an army ant swarms across the ground, marching in perfect formation to raid a colony of termites, each ant playing a role like workers in a bustling city. But these aren't just show-offs, they're survival experts. Some, like the Amazonian lanternfly, mimic leaves so well you'd walk right past them. Others, like certain mosquitoes, aren't just pests, they're part of complex food chains that keep ecosystems balanced. Even one missing species can disrupt the Amazon's delicate balance. Mosquitoes, for example, aren't just disease carriers. They also pollinate plants and feed birds and bats. Without them, entire ecosystems weaken. Pesticides and deforestation accelerate this breakdown, fracturing food chains that humans depend on. Protecting these small rainforest patches isn't just about insects. It's about preserving life itself. But insects aren't just pests or nuisances. Take mosquitoes, for example. Some spread diseases, but others pollinate plants or serve as food for birds. They're part of a delicate balance. Pesticides might kill them, but that can break food chains, affecting everything from bees to coral reefs. Even tiny insects like lanternflies mimic leaves to survive, showing how they adapt and thrive in nature's puzzle. Protecting them isn't just about bugs. It's about keeping ecosystems alive. Even from your backyard, you can be a hero for these tiny giants. Start by letting weeds like thistles and ragwort grow. They feed bees in bloom. Skip pesticides. They're invisible killers that disrupt food chains. Support scientists studying rainforest bugs, just as some focus on coral or mosquitoes. Small actions like planting native flowers or joining conservation groups add up to big protection. Every step helps keep ecosystems balanced, ensuring these species thrive for generations. This tiny patch isn't just about insects, it's about us. Mosquitoes, for example, some spread diseases but others pollinate plants or feed birds. Pesticides can disrupt this balance, affecting food chains that humans rely on. Protecting biodiversity here is like fortifying the foundation of life itself. Even small actions, like letting weeds grow in your garden to feed bees, make a difference. By supporting conservation efforts, whether locally or globally, we ensure ecosystems stay balanced for generations. Did you know some mosquitoes don't spread disease, they pollinate plants or feed birds? Others, like lanternflies, mimic leaves to hide from predators. These tiny insects are part of nature's puzzle, holding ecosystems together. Pesticides might seem helpful, but they disrupt food chains, affecting everything from bees to coral reefs. Even small actions, like letting weeds grow in your garden, can help protect these tiny giants and keep our world balanced. But is it too late for this tiny Amazon patch? Conservationists are already taking action, planting coral fragments to rebuild reefs or studying mosquitoes that pollinate instead of bite. Yet, this fragile ecosystem teeters on the edge. If we act now, these insects could thrive, keeping nature balanced. But if we wait, their loss could unravel delicate threads. The choice is ours, hope or despair. This tiny patch isn't just about insects, it's about us. Even small actions, like letting weeds grow in your garden, can help bees and other pollinators thrive. Supporting conservation efforts, whether locally or globally, ensures ecosystems stay balanced for generations. The choice is yours. Act now to protect these tiny giants or risk unraveling nature's delicate threads. Share this video with someone who loves nature or science.